Puppetry lends an interesting theatricality and an interesting way to replicate and present the characters in an exciting and different way. I think guests on the Disney Wonder are going to be really wowed by what they've seen.
One of the big challenges of bringing Frozen film to the stage live for our guests is how do we track the progression of the girls growing from children to adolescents and to young adults. We've decided for our show that we want to do that through puppetry. The puppeteers for each of the young and adolescent Anna and Elsa puppets are the actresses that will ultimately portray them later in the show, so we are able to show that progression while keeping a familiarity of face and voice along with those puppets that helps really tie the story along and keeps good consistency for the audience.
We are experimenting now with a number of different puppetry styles and different ways to bring our characters to life. Sven is going to be really expressive. His face is going to be beautiful, and we're going to be able to bring him to life in a way that guests really expect to see.
Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
One of the things that we're playing with right now is, how do we create that relationship between Olaf and Sven? They're very playful together. So we're playing with some ideas on how can we really connect them and create the relationships that we're used to seeing on film. I think guests are going to be impressed with some of the really amazing effects that we're working on. I think there's a lot of potential for unexpected surprises. They're also going to walk away seeing something truly magical the way we imagine it to be.